Hi guys, hi, my name is Nisha Chandrasekhar and I'm sure you guys know me because we're friends on Facebook. I don't usually make videos, but the thing is, this is something special to me, so I'm just going to need just 2 minutes of your time. The thing is, why am I making this video is because me and a bunch of friends, what we're trying to do is we're trying to fundraise money to buy water filters for people in rural Cambodia. So we're part of this NGO. It's called Water and Toilets, and what we do is we basically address water and sanitation projects in countries like Sri Lanka, Kenya, and Cambodia. So basically, this campaign, it runs over a period of 10 days, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to raise funds specifically to buy water filters for people in Cambodia. So why Cambodia? It is one of the most disadvantaged communities out there. People do not have access to clean, safe drinking water. Most people, what they do is that they get the water source from the well and they just drink it like that without any sort of filter. And because of this, they're prone to so many kinds of disease, not airborne, waterborne diseases, and they suffer from diarrhea. Children especially are so vulnerable to this. It's actually very sad. I've added the photos. You can actually see it on my page. So what we're trying to do is that we're trying to make a difference here. So my target goal is to reach about 500 US dollars, because one water filter costs about 62.5 US dollars. So with the money that we raise, we can make a difference to 8 families. So try not to think about in monetary terms. Instead, think about the lives that we're going to change, guys. I hope you guys are feeling a bit generous. The donation, it starts from a minimum of 10 US dollars. That's about like 30 ringgit. So that's like not drinking Starbucks coffee for like 2 days, guys. So I hope that you sacrifice your coffee, and by this you can help someone drink clean water for the rest of their lives. So I hope you do help out. Even if you can't donate, it's okay. Just like the page or try to share it on the wall, because maybe someone out there might actually want to help. And another thing is that I hope that if I do reach my target goal, I could, maybe you guys could put me up for a challenge or something like that. I'm open to any suggestions. Maybe I could go for a diet like for a week, please, just a week. Or maybe just drink clean water for like a month. Just drop your suggestions in the comment box below. So, and that's about it, guys. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate this. Thank you.